strange questions we got asked as a ride operator of the log flume at Clacton Pier. Customer: will I get wet? Us: yes. Customer: will I fall out? Us: if you remain seated and do not rock the boat or put your hands in the water, then no. Customer: can I go down only? The small drop, the big one, looks too big and scary. Us: both slides make up the one. Right, you must go down both in order to ride. Customer: I lost my hat inside the ride's pool. Can you get it out for me? Us: if you would like us to get crushed by heavy metal machinery, then sure I would love to get your hat for you. Customer: if I don't like it, can I get out? Us: sure, let me stop the ride and leave the boats floating while I use a ladder to hook you out the boat. We hope we made you laugh at these strange comments as much as we did getting asked them. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Make sure to leave a comment if you want to hear more strange questions asked by guests.